Hi, I'm Valerie Bertinelli, and in my new cookbook, Valerie's Home Cooking, I'm going to bring you into my kitchen. I'm going to share 100 of my favorite family recipes. Whether you're cooking up a feast or just an easy treat, I've really got plenty of innovative recipes with kind of a modern twist. The greatest joy in my life is really bringing people around together over the table and enjoying each other's company over really delicious food. And I really hope these recipes help to create special memories of your own, the same way that they do for me.